That is so bad. It's like I'm getting sandblasted right now. Look at that. Unbelievable. There's the sun. Here it comes. Jeez. My wife's out here working in this. Her boss wants her to pick up twigs. What? Why don't they wait? I don't understand thinking these people sometimes. Jeez. I gotta get inside because my mouth feels like I've been eating dirt clods. Look at all that dirt on the floor just from that. I just dusted my house this morning. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look at my dog. My May dog. Hi, Petey. He's scared to death. But, well, I just ate a zinger, so he's looking for that.